Baby, the sound of you, better than harmony, yeah. I want you off my mind.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Vondessa J. Well, today guys, we will be doing a carrot theme arrangement. Yes. So here I'm showing you everything you need: fresh carrots, flowers of your choice, a vase, water, ribbon, and the Dollar Tree cutting board. Yes, that is all you will need. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and get my vase and pull my cutting board, and it is like the flexible cutting board, it's not the hard cutting board. So this will keep your carrots in place on the outside. And key guys, do not use tape while doing this. So make sure your vase has the circumference that you can use this. If you have a slight opening, and have no worries. When you add the carrots, it will snug it. So whatever you do, please do not use tape, because the tape on the back of that, the sticky substance, it will kill your flowers. So you don't want that. So as you can see right here, I have a huge opening. That is the opening that I was telling you about. So have no fear. Once you start adding the carrots, it will fill itself out and it will be perfect. So now with the carrots guys, I did pick these carrots up from Walmart. They were 98 cents a bag, and I was iffy if I needed one of two. I'm glad that I did pick up two. Now, if you want to go all out and have it just absolutely nice and neat, you can take the time and cut the carrots all the same height and length, but I wanted a little different. I wanted you to see all the different heights and all of the carrots. As you can see, my carrots are starting to fall, so this is a tricky process, but nevertheless, it did come out very good. So don't worry about the heights of the carrots, because when you add your flowers and your ribbon, I guarantee you it's going to be absolutely beautiful.
Baby, the sound of you, better than harmony, yeah. I want you off my mind, and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, it don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow and we only had today, I wanna love you in every kind of way. All I hear is raindrops falling from a rooftop. Oh baby, tell me why'd you have to go? 'Cause this pain I feel, it won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you. I thought that from this heartache I could escape, but I've run it long enough.
So now that we have all of our carrots together, so here it is. I have already added my water. So now it is time to go ahead and get our roses together. And if you're new here to my home, I will let you know that I do purchase my flowers from Kroger grocery store, and I only shop on the clearance area, because if you shop on your clearance area, you get your flowers home in some water and the food fertilizer, your flowers sometime will last 2 weeks. I have had some of them that did last 2 weeks, but nevertheless, about a week and a half, definitely it will last. So here you see I'm adding in my food for my plants. this will not interrupt your carrots. So I have some orange roses, I have some white roses, I have a lily, I have some baby's breast, and some greenery.
There ain't no way, and today I'm officially missing you. Ooh, can nobody do me like you? I said every little thing you do. Hey baby, say it stays on my mind, and I officially, it's official. Ooh, you know that I'm missing you, yeah, yeah, yeah. All I hear is raindrops. Ooh, yeah. And I'm officially missing you.
So now what you want to do is make sure that your roses are cut the right way. So the height wise. So what I'm doing with this, I am playing around with it to make sure that I have the correct height. What I am doing, I'm cutting the ends of my plants on an angle, and I am removing the lower leaves. You don't want to have those leaves in your water. It will cause your flowers to die out much quicker. So sometimes I remove all leaves unless I'm doing a vase like this. And this vase, guys, if you did see my haul, it did come from the at-home store for $35. And I think it's absolutely so gorgeous. So as you're putting your flowers in, make sure it's going on the inside of that plastic cutting board. You don't want it to go on the outside by the carrots because it will like change up the look that well, personally what I was going for. So if you do this and you choose to put some on the outside, hey, that is up to you. It would be your arrangement. But for myself, I only wanted them to be inside of the white.
Balloons are deflated. Guess they're just lifeless like me. We miss you on your side of the bed. Still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenirs.
As I am adding in my florals, my roses, I am doing the crisscross method. I know a lot of people do the tape method. That is something that I just choose not to do because I know how to do it the correct way without using tape. And if you don't know the tape method, that tape, once the flower sits along that tape long enough, that adhesive from that tape will get on the flower and it will kill your flowers out a little bit earlier. I have seen a lot of people on YouTube do this and they said that their flowers only last 1 week. That is the reason. So I do not do the tape method. If you want to see up close how I do my crisscross method, just let me know. I would do one video to show you the correct way how to do that. I've been doing it the same way for some years now, probably about 6 or 7 years. So it has always been perfect for me. I can do it so well till I can make my plants or flowers in the very middle stand straight up. So it's just a method, and the tape method is just not a good choice.
I don't want to let you out of my head. It's like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. You said that you loved me, but that turned out to never. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walked out my life? I feel like this every time. On those days it feel like you and me, heartbreak anniversary. I feel like this every time. On those days it feel like you and me. Do you ever think of me? Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. Too soon I spoke, you've been heavy on my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind shit. I try to keep from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, babe, but you don't care. All the while, I'll wait my fate with a smile. Still gotta try, still believe in good days. Oh, it's like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. You said that you loved me, but that turned out to never. It's cold outside, like when you walk out my life. Why'd you walk out my life?
I feel a little nauseous and my hands are shaking. I guess that means you're close by. My throat is getting dry and my heart is racing. I haven't been by your side in a minute, but I think about it sometimes. Even though I know it's not so distant. Oh no, I still wanna reminisce it. I think of the night in the park. It was getting dark and we stayed up for hours. What a time, what a time, what a time.
So now it's time to give the plant a bow and some ribbons. So both of my ribbons did come from the Dollar Tree. The first one is burlap with blue polka dots, and the other one is carrot. So both of these did come from the Dollar Tree. Just look at the $5 plus section and it's easy to find. So with my ribbon, I want to make sure that it is cut on an angle, but the first thing I want to do is add in the burlap in blue, and I want to tape this in place. And the reason being because, of course, you know, it will slide. It will definitely come off. And I did not want to use my hot glue gun, but if you want it a little bit more stable and it's not going to move, of course, just pull out your hot glue gun and put some dots of hot glue on and just put it that way. So it would definitely hold up by using the hot glue or just by using tape.
My body like you wanted it forever. What a time, what a time, what a time for you and I. What a time for you and I. I know we didn't end it like we're supposed to, and now we get a bit tense. I wonder if my mind just leaves out all the...
So now that I have the burlap blue in place, now I want to roll out enough of the carrot print. And guys, really the carrots, I don't know what it is this summer. It is the hidden theme right now. I don't know what it is, but it's absolutely so beautiful. With this video, if you keep watching, go ahead and subscribe, because I am going to do my dining room in carrots. I'm going to do my kitchen in carrots, and also, guys, my front porch and some places that's around in my front yard. So I'm super excited to get that done, to get it filmed, edit, and to reveal it to you. So here I am just measuring. I'm just gonna do the typical bow. I know they do all of those beautiful bows. Look, Your girl love home interior decorating, but those bows, that's not my thing. So I'm just going to do the traditional bow, but with this one I'm going to do a double knot. That's where I know it's not going to come apart. And these ribbon are wired ribbon, and that is perfect because it will make your bows stand straight up. So guys, here's my little cute bow.
I know we didn't make sense. I admit it that I think about it sometimes, even though I know it's not so distant. Oh no, I still wanna reminisce it. I think of the night in the park, it was getting dark and we stayed up for hours. What a time, what a time, what a time. You cling to my body like you wanted it forever. What a time, what a time, what a time for you and I. What a time, what a time for you and I. 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 I think of the night in the park, it was getting dark and we stayed up for hours. What a lie, what a lie, what a lie. You cling to my body like you wanted it forever. What a lie, what a lie, what a lie for you and I.
Baby, the sound of you better than a harmony, yeah. I want you off my mind.